Hey guys, my name's Emily, and in today's video we're going to be doing seated stretches to improve flexibility. So make sure you subscribe to my channel before we get started, and we're going to meet in a cross-legged position. So just resting your hands on your knees, roll your shoulders back, spine is nice and long. We're going to begin to draw our right ear to our right shoulder. Just take a moment here, feeling that stretch along the left side of the neck. And then gently come back up, and then bring the left ear to the left shoulder. Relaxing through your face, releasing your jaw. Slowly coming up. And then we're just going to do some head rolls here. So bringing it over to the left, over to the right, just nice and slow. Maybe you lower the head a little bit more, getting into the back, upper back. Nice and gently side to side. And slowly coming back to center, roll the head back up. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bring it hands to heart center. Inhale, sweep the arms high. And then exhale, right hand comes down. Reach that left arm up a little more. And then gently reaching over to the right. Slowly release, bring the left arm down, right arm up, reach it up high. And exhale, release to the left. Inhale, reach both arms up, getting nice and long. And then exhale, we're going to start to twist to the right. Bring the left hand to the right knee, right hand behind your back. Getting nice and tall. And exhale for a little twist. Inhale, sweep both arms back up. And then exhale, right hand to left knee, left hand behind your back. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale to twist. And slowly coming back to center, we're gonna walk the hands forward, stretching out through the hips. Maybe release the head down, maybe draw the head side to side. Just taking what options work for you. And then slowly make your way back. And we're gonna switch sides. So bring the opposite leg in front this time. And then walking your hands back forward. Noticing your inhales and exhales. And then slowly walking your hands back towards you. We're going to bring the soles of the feet together, coming into butterfly. So holding on to the ankles, drawing the shoulders back, spine is nice and tall. Maybe you stay right here, or maybe you start to hinge forward, keeping that length in the spine. And then maybe if you like, you can relax the head, lower it all the way down. Just finding the shape that works for you. Walking the hands back towards you. And we're going to bring that left leg long. Keep that right foot to the inside of the left thigh. And then flex those left toes back towards you. Inhale to reach up. And exhale, slowly hinge forward, keeping that spine nice and long. And just lower the hands wherever they land. Maybe you want to bring this into a little bit of a twist. So you can bring your right hand to the outside of the left foot or leg, just to draw it into a little bit of a twist. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to sink into the twist. And slowly release. We're going to straighten the right leg and then bend that left leg back in. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, lengthen forward. Lowering those hands down. Take a moment to scan your body. Notice if you're holding tension anywhere. And bring the left hand to the outside of the right leg. Only as an option, you don't have to do this. Maybe bringing it into a bit of a twist. And very slowly bring the legs back in, and now we're going to take the legs wide. So just bring them as wide as is comfortable for you. You may want to have your hands behind your back for some extra support. Think about really engaging the legs and the thighs, flexing those toes up towards the ceiling so they're not turning in, they're straight up. And then maybe you want to walk your hands forward. Only an option if this is working for your body. If not, please just stay upright. So not forcing anything, just working with your body's natural flexibility. And slowly walking your hands back towards you. Bring your right hand to your right leg and then inhale that left arm high. And you can choose how far you go here. So you might want to just slowly begin to reach over towards the right. Maybe you lower your elbow down, your right elbow down to your right leg. And then slowly come back up. And then this time left hand comes down to the left leg. Inhale, right arm up. And then reaching it over to the left. Nice big stretch along your right side. And slowly coming back up. Awesome. Carefully drawing your legs back in towards one another. Maybe just a gentle sway with the legs. Just releasing all of those stretches. And we'll just finish just how we began in a cross-legged position. Just resting your arms comfortably, closing your eyes. Come back to notice your breath. Letting any thoughts just enter your mind and then let them go. Noticing how your body's feeling. Noticing how you're feeling mentally and emotionally. And just being with that feeling. Accepting where you are right now. Taking this moment just to be right here. Please stay here for as long as you like. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Namaste.